Honestly speaking, if you are meant to be a writer, then no force can stop you. You will feel an intense flow in you, within you, and you will pick up a pen and a piece of paper or a notebook or a diary or whatever, or even your mobile, and you will write. So, writing is a very innate feeling, an innate quest to find something. Hi friends, today I am here to give you 5 tips if you want to start writing. As a writer, 6 of my books have been published, and I'm already working on 2 more, and they will be soon out for reading. So here are the 5 tips if you want to start writing. I started writing in 2010, and since then I have been writing non-stop, and it is my passion. So here are the tips. So first I would like to share a quote with you guys. Writing is an incessant journey where it is necessary to move ahead step by step. No jumps, no shortcuts. However, the time at each step may vary largely. So here is the first tip: read, and read. Because all the readers, or I think most of the readers, are going to be writers in future, because they find some peace, some part of their existence in reading. And second tip is be fearless. You have to be fearless to write, because sometimes we feel afraid that what will people say, this person have written this or that. But please be fearless, because it is our journey. Be open to criticism, be open to listen to any kind of comments, because it is your satisfaction. Writing is first and foremost for your own satisfaction. So it is not about others, it's solely about you, right? Third point is listen to your inner voice. If you want to write, you should spend more time with yourself and try to listen to your inner voice. What does it has to say? Because whenever we are sitting alone, whenever we are having our own time, we see that our inner voice talks to us and it guides us into the right direction. So listen to your inner voice. And fourth suggestion I would like to give is spend time with nature, because we are a part of nature. So spending time with nature can give you plenty of ideas. Like it is, I just love to look out of my window whenever I write. Somehow, as if the trees give me ideas, and the winds are like are here to give me some message. Yeah. And last but not the least, fifth tip I would like to give you is be observant of not only people, behaviors, surroundings, circumstances, but also of tiny happenings of your life. Like if you are making a cup of tea, that can also give you some kind of an idea to write, to move ahead on the writing journey. You can observe your everyday routine, news. If you have watched any movie which has influenced you in any way, these are the tiny things which from which we can learn a lot and write about them. So even new words, you should work on improvising your vocabulary. New words from anyone which will improve your vocabulary, your knowledge of dictionary. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you. So I would like to recite 2 of my tiny poems at last, uh, which as writer I feel deeply. चाह है मेरा जीवन शब्द हो जाए, सुप्तावस्था जागृति, हास्य क्रंदन, भाव खोज दुविधा, खोना पाना, सब निशब्द रहे, किंतु शब्दों में अभिव्यक्ति की पनाह पा जाएं. Here's the second one, which it is again about writing, what I feel about it. यदि लेखन ना होता तो मैं ना होता, मैं होता तो, किंतु वह जो मैं होता वह आवरणों दिखावों में उलझा भटका सा होता, अवसाद से जूझता, जाने किस अज्ञानी की शरण खोजता. जीवन होता तो, किंतु उसमें जीवन ना होता. शुक्र है कि लेखन है, मैं ही हूँ, और जीवन में जीवन है. So that's it, friends. I wish you all the best with your writing journey. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.